We're Thomas 4, and this is our selected catapult design for the competition coming up. For the construction of our catapult, we have, for the base, 2 popsicle sticks glued to 2 pencils. We had some slight issues gluing to the shaved ends of the pencils, so we put strips of rubber band there that are a little bit easier to glue to both sides. Then we have 1 tongue depressor that we cut in half for these supports that hold our crossbar and our rubber band that houses our lever arm. Our lever arm is fixed at the bottom by bracing of a popsicle stick and by being glued to the bottom or the front popsicle stick here for the base. There's some rubber bands here that are glued. It keeps it in place. Our lever arm is made of a plastic knife and a bottle cap that houses the projectile when fired. And for supports, we have popsicle sticks glued that should help stop wobbling once it's fired. For the 3 things that we prefer about our design, we have the elasticity of our lever arm. It's made of plastic. It gives a big, strong returning force to propel our projectile forward. The second thing is our rubber band trick that we came up with that makes it much easier to glue things that would otherwise be pretty difficult to glue. It significantly reduces our time to build. Our third thing is the angle of launch, which is 55. That's still pretty close to 45, so fairly optimal, but it gives us more time to accelerate our projectile. Just past our target at 4'3", subtracted from 10 feet because this is backwards, but the distance from the target looks to be 6 inches, at least to the edge. We'll use that distance in our information. Okay, this is our max distance test. We have our tape measure out to the full distance of 16 feet, and we're just going to launch our catapult and see where it lands. 12 foot 11 inches.